Hello there. We're gonna make vegan chewy brownies today because I'm craving it. Guess what feeling I'm acting, and I will reveal in the end. Okay, so I prepared everything. I should separate dry and wet ingredients. I'm gonna start with the dry one. 1 cup flour. Whisk salt and baking soda. I can't find my baking soda, so I'm gonna use baking powder. That's the dry ingredient. 3/4 cup brown sugar. 1. Why are you hard? Why are you like wet or something? 2. 3. I'm supposed to whip it. Ugh, I hate whipping. Oh, God. 2 flax eggs. I'm gonna mix it because this is taking too long. Work smart, not hard. Looks good. I guess I meal prepped a little. It smells so good. It smells like banana for some reason. While this sets, I'm gonna cut the chocolate and melt them. Chocolate doesn't look that good, but I don't mind. And they're old and I'm not gonna die, so don't judge my chocolate. I just realized that I don't even need to melt it. I can just... No, of course I need to melt it, but I can just put them directly in like this and melt it. I didn't have to cut them. What I just cut, I'm gonna use them for the filling, like chocolate chip. I know that some people do warm baths for the chocolate, but I just didn't want to put in too much effort, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. It looks very good, doesn't it? This is, I think, the best flax egg I've ever made. Why am I filming in this angle? Okay, so... Okay, it's so tiring. I found the recipe on TikTok, and the TikToker has a website, and I have the recipe from the website, and the website is different than the TikTok, and now I'm just gonna follow the TikTok because the TikTok doesn't say the exact measurements and everything, but I see the picture and I know what it is and I know the measurements from the website, so I'm just gonna follow the TikTok video. And the TikTok video didn't say whip, so I'm not gonna do that because I hate doing that. It's so much work. So now I'm just gonna add the wet ingredient to the dry, and she didn't even separate, so I just basically dirtied a bowl for nothing. So first I add the 2 eggs. Consistency is so good. The brown sugar and then 1/2 cup of oil. Very nice. Okay, this looks so thick. The batter looks really thick, and I know why. It's because of the brown sugar. It's like a crystal one, and I don't know what to do, but I think I'm just gonna add more flour so the batter looks more like a batter. It looks a little bit better. Shit. The batter looks good now. I'm gonna add in the chocolate chips and transfer it into the baking thing. Oven. It looks much better now. Yay. I'm gonna use use the leftover oil here to like grease it real quick. I feel so smart. Oh, I didn't mix properly. I'm so stupid. I put the brownie in before it was properly preheated and I'm so excited. I'm gonna clean up now. I forgot to add the vanilla extract. I even put it there, it was right there. What's wrong with me? Excuse my puffy eyes, I just got out of bed. Okay, so yesterday, right after brownies finished baking, I had to go to work. So I couldn't like try or like finish. So when I got back from work, I tried a bit and it was a fail. Like I made this twice already and they were both really good and like not a fail. And I think the problem was the sugar, the brown sugar. It's so hard. It's supposed to be like soft and chewy and it's way too sweet. I think I'm just gonna redo it with the half portion and use birch sugar. Or I can mix the brown sugar, but ugh, no, fuck that. I'm not gonna wash extra stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna redo it. I think I'll just film like a time lapse or something. Fuck, I don't have any chocolate anymore. Looks like I can't even remake it. Ugh. Here's a live reaction. It's like hard. This is so wrong. Oh my god. I just had a perfect idea. I can put this in like ice cream or something. Or what stuff has like brownie in it? Brownie cube. That's genius. Taste test continuing. This literally tastes like sugar. I didn't stay in character, but my feeling was sad. I know it's basic, but I had a list of emotions, numbers list, and Siri said 4. So that was it. Thanks for watching. I will remake this with a new emotion. Like I'm gonna remake this thing. Yeah. Bye. The brownie is still very good. It's just a little too sweet and hard, but it's like cookie and it still tastes good. So it's not even doing anything. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. I guess a meal per blah blah blah. Okay, I don't know if that was too much, but transform it. Transform? So shit, okay. I need to do the emotion already. Why can't I talk?